Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete search history on the YouTube app. First of all, open the YouTube app on your phone. Now, look at the bottom right corner. You will see your profile icon. Tap on it. After that, go to the top right corner. Tap on the gear icon. Scroll down and tap on History and Privacy. Now, tap on Manage All History. If you want to delete only one search, just find that search and tap the cross or delete icon next to it. That's it, it will be deleted instantly. If you want to delete all search history, go to the top of the screen and tap on Delete. Now select Delete All Time. Confirm by tapping Delete again. Your entire search and watch history will be cleared. Now close the YouTube app completely and open it again. This helps the app refresh properly. And that's it. Your YouTube search history is now fully cleared.